In this lesson, we're going to learn pattern Yul-Gok. So this one is a tutorial video going through the pattern step by step. Very important for people learning it for the first time, or if you want to know the details of the pattern. In the next lesson, I'm just going to show me doing the pattern from beginning to end at the regular speed with no instruction. So if you just need a refresher on the pattern, check the next lesson. But if you're learning the pattern, this is where you need to be. So, Jimmy! Good. So from here, pattern Yul-Gok. This pattern is the first pattern to really have a lot of changes of pace in the pattern. Slow sections, fast sections, and regular speed sections. And the slow sections are breathing control exercises. They help develop inner power. They help develop power, period. And they help develop focus. There's a lot of stuff going on here behind the scenes. So I don't want to get too far into that, but that is what is happening here. And this is very important. You're going to find this is different from the patterns that you've seen so far. So what's important is the slow sections need to be slow and the fast sections need to be fast. It shouldn't all be the same tempo all the way through like a robot. That's not how this pattern works. So right off the bat, we're going to go into sitting stance and we're going to do a slow middle punch. So right from here, slow left middle punch, and lift your body up slightly at the end of that punch. And as soon as you finish, then sit back down again and do double middle punch. So it's slow, 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 and then quick double punch, right, left. Now, other side, same thing. Just like that. So slow, 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 and then double punch. Now from here, stepping off on a 45-degree angle, middle block. And then from there, left leg front snap kick. Just to make sure I have space. Left leg front snap kick, double punch, left and right. Now on the other side, stepping off on a 45-degree angle, middle block. This is walking stance again. Then from there, right leg front snap kick, right then left. So when you kick with the right leg, it's right then left. You kick with the left leg, it's left then right. So double middle punch. Then from there, coming back to the center, walking stance, palm hooking block. We're going to do 2 of them. And then punch, middle punch. Then what you're going to do is step forward. And again, and punch. So slow, slow, and quick. Then stepping forward, right middle punch, and kia in walking stance. Now from here, up into one leg stance, forearm guarding block. So up, forearm guarding block, side kick, and when you step down, high right elbow front strike. So reverse, just like this. Step over, one leg stance, forearm guarding block, step down, and again, high elbow front strike. Performed in reverse, this time left side. Now from there, twin knife hand block in L stance. Stepping forward, right fingertip middle straight thrust. Then other side, twin knife hand block in L stance. Stepping forward, left fingertip middle straight thrust. Now from here to the side, outward forearm side block in walking stance, and then reverse middle punch. Then stepping forward again. Outward forearm side block, reverse middle punch. Now from here, leaping forward, back fist side strike in an X stance. Then pivot out and do double forearm block in walking stance. Then come back to the center, double forearm block in a walking stance. And then come on. Good, and breath control. So, as I was saying earlier, this is the first pattern to really have slow sections inside of it. And it's to help build up power. It's to build up your breathing and to build up power. And there are other techniques like this coming up in future patterns as well. But Yul-Gok is the first one that you see that is like that. And so when you're doing those slow techniques, you should be exhaling when you do those. So you have your air already breathed in, and then exhale as you're coming out, and exhale on those ones when you're doing the slow techniques. So that is pattern Yul-Gok.